The future of global power may not be decided by the most advanced weapons, but by who can deploy AI systems at scale. Hello everyone, welcome to the Domain B channel. Today we're looking at a major shift in the global AI landscape, from drone strategies near the Taiwan Strait, to the rise of domestic AI chips from Huawei, to the growing complexity of global supply chains. These developments are reshaping how power is built and sustained in the AI era. In this video, we'll break down how AI warfare is evolving, why chips have become strategic assets, and what this means for businesses and investors. Let's start with one of the most visible changes, drone strategy. Recent reports suggest that China has deployed older fighter jets, converted into drones, near the Taiwan Strait. These systems are not cutting-edge, but their strength lies in scale. By launching large numbers of relatively low-cost drones, military planners can overwhelm air defense systems. This forces opponents like Taiwan to use expensive interceptor missiles against lower-cost targets. In simple terms, low-cost offense versus high-cost defense. This reflects a broader shift in modern warfare, from precision to scale. Now let's move to the core of the AI race, chips. AI systems rely on advanced processors to function, which makes semiconductors one of the most strategic resources today. With export restrictions limiting access to high-end chips from companies like Nvidia, Chinese firms are increasingly turning to domestic alternatives. That's where Huawei comes in. Its AI chips are gaining traction as companies look to reduce dependency on foreign suppliers. This shift signals something bigger. Countries are no longer just competing on innovation, they're competing on control of critical infrastructure. But controlling technology is not that simple. Recent findings show that high-performance servers from Super Microcomputer were still acquired by Chinese institutions through third-party resellers. This highlights a key challenge. Global supply chains are highly interconnected and difficult to fully regulate. Even with restrictions in place, technology can still move through indirect channels. For policymakers, this creates a major enforcement gap. The impact isn't limited to hardware. It's now affecting research and collaboration. Chinese researchers recently withdrew from a major international AI conference after restrictions were placed on certain submissions. This suggests that the AI ecosystem itself may be fragmenting. Instead of one global research environment, we could see multiple parallel systems emerge, each shaped by its own policies and priorities. So what does all of this mean? For businesses, supply chains may need to adapt to multiple regions. Technology sourcing could become more localized. Costs may increase due to duplication. For governments, AI is now a matter of national security. Chips are strategic assets. For investors, this creates both risk and opportunity in a rapidly changing landscape. The global AI race is no longer just about innovation. It's increasingly about scale, control, and resilience. We're not seeing a complete split, but we are seeing a more fragmented system emerge, and understanding this shift will be critical for anyone operating in the global technology space. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like and subscribe to the Domain B channel for more insights on technology, business, and global trends. You can also read our in-depth articles at www.domain-b.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.